Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. We're going to be opening day number 2 of our Advent calendar for 2025. So let's head on down to the table and take a look at what the day has in store for us. I've got my card panels out still from day number 1. And we're just going to tear open our bag for day number 2. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, we have a stamp set. So we have a lovely 3x3 stamp set of a sunflower. It says sunflower, and then the sentiment says hello sunshine. Oh, I like that. I can't wait to create something with that. Thanks for joining me for opening our Advent calendar for day number 2. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow. And until then, keep living the creative life.